Kumar Singh, HOD Physical Education, Ivy League Academy. So today we are going to discuss about the topic tournament. It is a very essential topic which near about cover 5 marks in a board exam. So we must have to know about this topic. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel, my channel. Okay. Now what is tournament? Tournament, it is the healthy competitions held between different teams to find out the best team of that event. Okay, tournament. Now the tournament is further divided into 4 parts. Number 1, knockout tournament. Number 2, league tournament. Number 3, combination tournament. And number 4, challenges cup. Now the first is knockout tournament. What is knockout tournament? Knockout tournament is means of knockout tournament. A team in such type of tournament, a team defeated once will be out of the tournament. Just like in a particular game, first round, total number of participating team is 17. In first round, if 7 teams are defeated, these 7 teams are just out of the tournaments and they are not promoted in the next round. Okay. So what is the importance, what is the good things in this type of tournaments? Number 1, these tournaments are less time consuming, less money consuming, less equipment required, less officials required in such type of tournaments. And the main drawback of these tournaments, we cannot find out the true winner. It is not possible. हर बार ऐसा नहीं होता है कि सचिन तेंदुलकर हर मैच में सेंचुरी मार दें. What happened? जिस मैच में वो जल्दी आउट हो गया, क्या होगा? नेक्स्ट टूर्नामेंट, नेक्स्ट राउंड उसको खेलने को नहीं मिला, नेक्स्ट टाइम में उसको परफॉर्मेंस दिखाने को नहीं मिला, तो हमें एक ट्रू विनर टीम नहीं फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट द मेन गुड टैलेंट्स विल बी एलिमिनेटेड. प्लेयर्स गेट डिमोरलाइज. जो अच्छे प्लेयर्स होते हैं वो भी जरूरी नहीं है कि हर मैच में अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस दें और वो अपना जो है टैलेंट हर मैच में दिखा सकें. तो जो अच्छे प्लेयर्स होते हैं, अगर वो किसी मैच में अपना परफॉर्मेंस नहीं दे पाए और उनको नेक्स्ट राउंड खेलने को नहीं मिला, देन दे आर गेट demoralized. They are feeling that we are not able to do the things. So that these are the main drawbacks of such type of tournaments. After that, the main thing is not. Second one is league tournament. The league tournament, in such type of tournament, each team have to play with each and every team. Just like total number of teams are participating in a tournament is 5. So we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 teams are participating in a tournament. So the number 1 team have to play with 2, play with 3, play with 4, and play with 5. Okay. So that each and every, in such type of tournament, each team have to play with each and every team. Now the main merits of this tournament, merits means benefits of this tournament. Every team gets the chance to show their talent. Each and every team have the proper time to show their talents. Every player no player is getting demoralized. Now what is the drawbacks of such type of tournaments? Pressure over the officials, very much heavy pressure over the officials, highly money consuming, highly time consuming, highly amount of equipments are required, more grounds are required. These are the main drawback of such league tournaments. So but if we are conducting a league tournament, in that time we can find out the true winner. That is the main difference between knockout and league tournament. Next we are coming over the combination tournament. What is combination tournament? Mainly the combination tournament is the combination of knockout and league tournament. Just like in such type of tournament, some rounds are playing according to the league tournament and some rounds are playing according to the knockout tournament. Just like a simple example, just like we are seeing the World Cup. In World Cup, what happened? First, all teams are in different pools. In their pools, they have to play the matches with each and every team. After that, when we are find out the 4 teams, 2 from the pool A and 2 from the pool B. In that time we are conducting the knockout tournament and we will find out a winner. That is called the combination tournament. Now we are coming over the challenges tournament. These are not mainly this tournament is not coming under the syllabus of class 12, but we must have to know about this topic also. What is challenges tournament? Just like we have the 7 teams, we have decided the 7. These type of tournament mainly used in the individual events like boxing. We have the 7 players, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now the player who is in the position of 3 and he is thinking I am better than the player who is in the position of number 1. So he just give a challenge to the player who is in the position of 1. Okay, and then a match will be held between individual match will be held between player 1 and 3, and if the 3 will win, their position will be interchanged. So that is known as the challenges tournament. But the main drawback of this challenges tournament is that the person who qualified the first, who secured the first rank, he have a chances to most time he have the chances to leave his position due to the given challenges by the other players. Okay, now first topic we are coming on the topic knockout tournament. What is knockout tournament? Knockout tournament, as I told you earlier, knockout tournament, in such type of tournament each team have to play with each and every team. Okay, now what is the main benefits of these tournaments? The main benefits of economical tournament: in such type of tournament, less amount required to conduct such type of tournament, less money required to conduct these type of tournament. Another thing, less time required. In such type of tournament we are required very less amount of time, and in a short of time we can easily conduct a knockout tournament. Third thing, less number of officials required. So easy thing, number of matches are less, so that the number of officials we are required is less. Same thing, if equipment requirement is very less, if we have the less number of matches, so that we have the equipment requirement is also very less, and the less tiredness over the team and players. In such type of tournaments we have the less tiredness and less pressure over the teams, and they can easily perform well in their tournament, in their matches. Next thing is that spectators interest, so that in such type of tournament easily we can find out the winners. So when we are easily getting the winners, so that the spectators means the people, those who are coming for watching the match, they can easily find out the winners, and they are paying more interest in such type of tournaments. Now what is the demerits of such type of tournament? Demerits means what is the drawbacks of this tournament. The first team is maybe the good team eliminated in first round. Just like I told you earlier that every team is not able to perform well in each and every matches. Sometime Australia will also be defeated by the Bangladesh, so that maybe the good team will be eliminated in first or second round. Next drawback is skill selection is not possible, so that just I told you that a good team may be eliminated in first round. So when the players are not performing well in first round, so that we cannot easily find out the proper skills of the tournament. After that we can say high stress on the player. In such type of tournaments we have a very heavy pressure over the player to perform well. If they are not performing well in the tournament, in that case their team will be eliminated from the tournaments. Now we are coming over the picture. What is picture? Picture. About the picture, we are going to say, we can say easily in the manner how we have to conduct the tournament, how we can arrange the matches of the team. Just like so, the picture of the knockout tournament, we are dividing the picture into two parts. Number 1, odd. Number 2, even. Now what is odd, what is even? Means if the number of team is odd, we can make our picture in different manner. If the number of team event, we can make our picture in a different manner. So first we are going to discuss about the odd tournaments. Odd type of knockout tournaments, odd picture. Just like we will take, we have the number of teams 11. Number of teams 11. So first we have to decide, first we have to make divide the teams into two parts or two pools, so or two halves. We can divide the team in number of team in pool A. The formula is to find out the number of team in pool A. N plus 1 upon 2. N is number of team. Okay. Now that is what is the total number of team? 11. 11 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 6. Clear? Now number of team in pool B. N minus 1 upon 2 equal to 11 minus 1 upon 2 equal to 5. Clear? Now we have to find out buy. What is buy? It is the advantage given to the team according to their entries, so that the team will not play in first round and directly promoted into the second round. Means if a team is getting the bye, they will not play the prior round, they will not play in the initial rounds and directly promoted into the second round. Clear? Now the formula of finding out the bye: 2 to the power n minus total or x minus total team. We will increase the power of 2 up to that time when the power is not more than the total team. Means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Now 16 is greater than the total number of teams, so we can stop the power. Now it will be 2 to the power 4 minus 11. It is 16 minus 11. It is equal to 5 bye. Now the total 5 team will be getting the bye in such type of tournament. Now how we can distribute the bye in these two pools? Very easy method. We can divide the byes into two pools. When we are dividing the teams into two pools, in that time we will take we are doing the n plus 1, but now it is changed. Total bye in pool A. At the time of dividation of the team, we are writing here n plus 1 upon 2. Here we will write b minus 1 upon 2, just opposite to the dividation of team. Clear? Means 5 minus 1 upon 2 equal to 4 upon 2, means 2 bye. Means 2 bye are given in first pool. Now total bye in pool B. That is what we have write in dividation at the time of dividation of team n minus 1. Here we write b plus 1 upon 2 equal to 5 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 6 upon 2 means 3 by, means in second pool we will divide, give the 3 bys. Now we are going to make the picture. Right, pool A, pool B. Number of team in pool A, what number of team we have? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Pool B, 5. A, B, C, D and E. Now we have to give the by. What we have? First by is given to the lower half of the first team of the lower half, means last team of the lower half, means B. Second by is given to the first team of the, here we have to divide the 3 bys. 1 B, it is the easiest method. B. Now according to book, first by is given to the first team of the lower half, first by. Second by is given to the last team of the upper half, pool A. Here next thing is third by is given to the last team of the pool B, so that B, and the fourth by is given to the first team of the pool A. So according to that we can divide the bys, but it is the easy method. In pool A B we will start the by from the lower, first by, second by, third by, and if have the more by we can write fourth by and fifth by. And if in same case here first by, second by, third by, fourth by, it is the easiest method of giving the by. Now we are doing the math rounds. It is the first round. Winner of this will find out and it will play with them. This is known as the semi-final. In pool B there is only one match in first round. In second round, third round, now it is known as the final. Clear? Okay, now we are going to discuss about the next topic, next thing in the knockout tournament, next procedure of knockout tournament according to event procedure. It is very easy. Just like we have the total number of teams, 12 or 10. It is an even number. So number of teams in pool A. In odd we are writing n plus 1 upon 2. Here it is n upon 2, means 10 upon 2 equal to 5. Number of team in pool B. It is n upon 2 equal to 10 upon 2 equal to 5. Okay, now the team is divided. Now we have to find out the by. Total by two to the power x minus total team. Same 16 will come. 16 minus total team 10. It is total 6 bys are given. Now we have to distribute the bys. Bye in pool A. Bye in pool A. In odd procedure, we are writing B minus 1 in pool A, but here it is B upon 2. Clear? Means 6 upon 2, 3 bye in pool A, bye in pool B. It is B upon 2 equal to 6 upon 2 means 3. Clear? Now we have to draw the picture of the tournament. Pool A, pool B. In pool A, number of teams we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same in pool B, we have the number of teams 5. So A, B, C, D, E. So in pool B, we have to give the 3 byes. Same thing. Remember the procedure. In pool B, we have to start the bye giving from the bottom. So first bye is given here, B, second upper, B, third lower, B. But just opposite of pool B, in pool A, first bye is given to the first team. So that bye, bye, bye. Now first match, second match, in first round. Semi-final and final. Clear? Now one more procedure is coming in that knockout tournament, that is known as the seeding procedure. For